Greetings, greetings, greetings. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, where every day there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. So make me ask you something. A long time you hear say Jesus soon come back. Don't. So I wonder when he come back, him a go find we a do when tell we for do. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people for your God to talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, now the best time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure say you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as scanned to Luke chapter 12 from verse 35 to verse 48. Fix up on your clothes so you're ready for work and keep on a lamp a burn too. Just like servant we are wait for the master to come back from one wedding, so as in come knock so, then can open up the door same time for him. It a go good for the servant them who for master find them busy and wait for him come back. Me I tell you this. The master himself a go put on his work clothes, make them sit down at the table, and him will serve them. It would have worked out good for the servant them who for master come whether later night or early morning and come catch them busy and wait for him. But understand this. If the owner for the house did know the time when the thief a come, he wouldn't make the thief broke in a house. I see him so uno must ready. Cause the man where God pick now go come when uno think him a go come. Peter asks, Lord, are we want you tell this? Or everybody? The Lord answer him say, who are the manager with the master can trust and depend upon? And that the one him a go put in charge of him servant them. Feed them share the food when the right time come. It a go good for the servant there. If a master come find him and do him for do. Me tell you this, and a true me attack. The master go put him in charge of everything him own. Suppose the servant said to himself, say, my master take one long time to come back. And so he start feed the other servant them and eat, drink, and get drunk. But the master go come back one day when the servant nah look for him. And one time when the servant nah check, saying would I reach back. The master go chop him in a two and fling him out amongst the one them when no listen or follow what him, the master, say. The servant when know what master want him to do and not get things ready or not do when master want, I go get some big lick. The one when I know say him a do something wrong, just I go get one lick. Everybody we get whole heap, I fi go give whole heap. Anybody where the master chose and left in charge of whole heap of sitting, I fi go answer for whole heap. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.